got beats.
Guys, this would be the 5th day of Balik Alindog at pound for pound working out. So this is just a quick workout. I need to go somewhere. Ilang ako? Ano?
Jumping rope ka na.
Jumping rope? No, yun lang.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. So it seems like we're just few here right now, and the sky is a bit gloomy, and I think it's going to rain. I need to stretch first and jumping rope warm up for about 4 minutes. So guys, it's now raining outside. So for today's workout, I'll be hitting my chest and my biceps or triceps. I don't know. I forgot, but that's it. That's what coach told me. And yeah. So guys, I'll be doing a bench press up for 12 repetitions of 4 sets. So I'm done with the first one set. Okay, next. So guys, next would be bench inclined bench press up for. This is the same. It's 12 repetitions and 4 sets. Okay guys, next would be the dumbbell press for about 12 repetitions and 4 sets. The next will be dumbbell press. It's the same. 4 sets of 12 repetitions. Taba. So I'm doing the setups now, and it's so last set.
Open up.
So done with the workout, just a quick workout because I have a date today, tonight, and an unexpected date. So this is where I end my vlog. So thanks for watching and kadush, see you in the next video. Bye.
Toppen utan toppen.